Alright, hey guys, this is C Wade. This is for my Ask C Wade series. I'm starting it up. I've been busy, so sorry I haven't been able to get you guys with some videos, but the question I'm answering is how do you set up a Ventrilo server? So I'm going to be showing you guys how. It's pretty simple. If you don't already have the Ventrilo client, you gotta download it. And for those people who don't know what Ventrilo is, it allows you to connect to different servers, and it allows you to talk to people by using a simple hotkey. So it's great for gaming and communication, meetings, all that good stuff. So we're gonna go to Google first of all, and we're gonna type in Ventrilo, and we're gonna I have a lot to show you guys today, so I'm gonna have to go a little bit fast. Go to the download section at ventrilo.com, and under server you're going to want to download it corresponding with your operating system. They only offer 64-bit for the Solaris operating system right now, but for Windows, Linux, and Mac, only 32-bit. So I'm going to download the server for Windows because that's what I'm running, 32-bit. I'm going to install it. Simple installation. After it's installed, you're going to go Start All Programs, and you're going to go to the new one, Ventrilo, and you're going to go down to the bottom and select Ventrilo Server, and it should pop up as ready in the command prompt window. And if it doesn't say ready, just exit it out and try again. I had to do it another time because it said TCP. I couldn't read the TCP, so I had to redo that. And after you got that, what we're gonna do from here is since it says ready, now people can connect to us. But if you ever exit out of the Ventrilo server, then your server is gonna go down. So keep that in mind. So what you're gonna do now, Google IP chicken, go to the site, and it's gonna give you your IP address. You're gonna copy that down, put it in Notepad, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into Ventrilo. You're gonna go to setup, or actually, excuse me, you're not gonna go to setup. You're gonna go over here to server, and you're gonna press the arrow, press new. I'm gonna name it exploit vent because that's the server I'm setting up. You're gonna enter in your IP address and the port number 3784, and you're gonna press OK. But I'm gonna show you guys an alternative because you would have to give your IP address out to everybody who you want to connect to, and you might not want to trust everybody nowadays because there's just a lot you can do with an IP address, like tracing, slowing other people down and stuff. So we're gonna basically spoof an IP address, your IP address, so people can connect to a host name rather than your IP address. So you're gonna go to Google, and we're gonna type in no-ipduc. This is totally free software, and you're gonna download the client for Windows, Mac, or Linux. I already have it downloaded, so I'm gonna open it up under my all programs, no ipduc, and it's gonna pop up in your taskbar down here next to your clock. I have it set up, but it's not connecting to anything, so because I don't have anything set up. So you're gonna have to go to the no IP site, and you're gonna have to make an account. And I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. They don't spam you, so just use your real email address. It's important. And we're gonna, after you log in, we're gonna add a host. And for host name, use something like maybe your username, or if you're doing this for like a clan website, use your clan name or a website or something. So I'm just gonna type in exploit vent, and then you could choose like the subdomain down here. See if there's anything cool. That's pretty cool. securityexploits.com. I'm just going to leave it at the no IP free domains, noip.biz. I'm going to change it to noip.org. Okay, so select DNS host A. you're just going to leave everything the same. You should have your IP address already in there. If not, copy and paste, oh, wrong one. Copy and paste in the IP address that you want in there. For that we got from IP Chicken. And we're going to press create host. And we're going to restart our no IP DUC application. And it's going to auto detect it. Retrieving host is saying it right there. See, we have exploitvent.noip.org right there. So we're going to check that box and we're all set up now. So we're going to go to our Ventrilo. We're going to go back and create a new server, exploit vent. Host name. Instead of giving people your IP, now we can simply go exploit vent.no-ip.org with the port number 3784, which can be changed later. I'm going to press OK, and it's going to say contacting server. It should say for you server ready, press connect to go, or whatever, but for the people who's running a router, we're going to need to do some port forwarding, and it's rather simple, so I'm going to include it in this tutorial. We're going to go to run command cmd, and we're going to type in ipconfig/all, and under IP address, rather than what IP Chicken gave you, it's going to show you a 192 number, and that's your router number, 192.168.1.101. So remember that. You're going to open up your web browser, and up the top you're going to type in 192.168.1.1. Yours might be different. Yours might be a 101 or a 100. So it tells you under your router what your address is. Just look under it. And you're going to need to type in your login information you set up for your router. And it should look somewhat similar like this. You're going to find like port forwarding for links assist applications and gaming. And it's going to look something like this, port range, you know. So for application 1, let's type in Ventrilo 1. Then for the start, 3784 and 3784. Protocol, we're going to go TCP, and IP address from the one from command prompt 101, and we're going to check enable. Ventrilo 2, 3784 to 3784 once again. UDP 101 enable. And then the third and final one, Ventrilo 3. We're going to go 6100 to 6100. Select UDP. And we can just go 101, check enable, save changes. And settings are successful. And you'll know that it actually is successful when you open up your Ventrilo. It's going to say server is available. Press connect. And now we're in. You can go up into setup and set up your hotkey. Mine's Alt. Sup. So yeah, if you want to enter like mess with the server, like edit the settings, we're gonna go start all programs, vent serve, edit the ini file, which is ini, admin password. I just have it set up as zxcvb, which I'm going to change, so it's just the bottom 5 keys, not like it's anything. And we're going to go right click, server admin, login. And now I'm logged in as the administrator. And we could do different things like set up channels and stuff. Channel admin, you could kick people. Maybe I'll make another tutorial if someone asks a question about it, but I'm going to change my password now. And yeah, so hope I answered your question. Hope this helps some of you guys out. If you have a question, not working, drop me a comment, send me a message. Hope you guys all have a happy Martin Luther King Day. Thanks for watching.